Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. Okay, so now in this video today, I'm really excited about it. It is an open invite. It's a Father's Day collab, and that's hosted by the Daughters of Destiny. Okay, so the hosts are from the Daughters of Destiny, Shawni on the spot, Lady Cinnamon, Styling with Gigi Faison, and the guest host is Inspiring Decor Style with Denise. I'm going to be linking the Daughters of Destiny and their channel links down below in the description box along with their guest hosts. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see how everybody celebrated Father's Day. So now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, what I decided to do today is decorate this vignette on my coffee table. And I am dedicating it not only to my father, who is no longer with me, but my twin brother, Leo, who is also no longer with me. And I miss them both so deeply. Now, did you know that every time you click that like button and full watch a video, you help us YouTube content creators to grow on YouTube? Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music while I finish decorating this vignette on my coffee table, and I'll see you at the end. Now, I do want to take a moment and say Happy Father's Day to all of the male figures, all of the fathers who have stuck it out in raising children, which is not an easy job, and also the single parents who are playing the role of two. That is commendable. Okay, so it looks like we're all done. Now we're going to head on over to the reveal. Now, if you're not part of the Grace Life DIY family, what are you waiting for? I cannot wait to have you. Click that subscribe button. Now, on the vignette, you're going to see a bottle with my photograph and my twin brother. And I just love that picture. It's one of the fun times that I remember having with my brother. I love you. So I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Thanks again to the Daughters of Destiny for hosting this collab. I'll see you in the next one.